Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, the Flower Bank World. Above this, past worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Repository of Undefiled Flames, shaped like a row of jewel lamps, resting on a sea of banks of jewel-like flames, covered by clouds of various bodies constantly raining perfume, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 8 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Invincible Power of Wisdom. Above this, past worlds as many as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Sublime Pure Sound, shaped like a philpot, resting on a sea of jewel raiment, covered with clouds of drapes adorned with all flowers, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 9 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Enormous Eyes like the clear moon in the sky. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Sounds as Numerous as Atoms, shaped like the net of Indra, resting on a sea of waters of all precious elements, covered by clouds of jeweled canopies of all musical sounds, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Golden Mountain Lamp. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Array of Jewel Colors, shaped like a philpot, resting on a sea of gems shaped like the king of the gods, covered by clouds of flowers radiant as the sun, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 11 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Radiant Knowledge illuminating the cosmos. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Golden Light, shaped like a huge castle, resting on a sea of ornaments made of all jewels, covered by clouds of jewel flowers from scenes of enlightenment, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 12 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Banner of Precious Lamps lighting all. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Sphere of Light illumining everywhere, shaped like a wreath of flowers, resting on a sea of whirlpools of jewel raiment, covered by clouds of palaces, made of diamond, emanating the sound of Buddha's voice, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 13 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Lotus Flower illumining everywhere.